I was supposed to go to my cousin's place today, but instead I went for a bottle collection run. I woke up late. Well, actually, my friend couple came over and woke me up. And then when they left, I fell asleep. And I've just slept for too long, so I'm just gonna go tomorrow instead. Just gonna go deal with some official shit online to get started with the application process for the education, the teachers' online education. No dice on the bottle run, not a single bottle. Um, there's a lot of competition, but I'll try again later and in the morning, I think. Guys, just check it out, guys. I'm making more Medusa with more Hasselback potatoes in the dirty oven that I still have to clean. I'm down to the last Medusa. Still got plenty of eggs. Yeah, I'm doing fine. Got some money too. Guys, I could eat this every day. I'm getting better and better at making this. Just look at the browning on these potatoes and underneath as well. Like they're perfect at this point. This one too. And the sauce, I'm getting a lot better at making the gravy rather. Getting a lot better at making that. Instead of using clear butter in the beginning, I just add a little bit of water to the pan that I made the medister in, and then I deglaze it and use that as a base for the gravy. It's really good. Better than adding it later on. But yeah, itadakimasu. Oh yeah, I got some Faxikondi too. You know, that 100 krona yesterday, it emboldened me to get a few snacks. These are pretty cheap. 15 krona. It's pork rinds. And then I mixed some candy because it's for sale. Well, it's a cheaper per 100-gram rate in the weekdays, or in Friday rather. Yeah, this is what I got. Mostly these red things right here. They're called Sue from Malaco. It's my favorite wine gum, or gummy, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, pretty cheap. Only 23 krona. That's basically what I made in Pep. I'm gonna make it, guys. Don't worry. I'm not gonna be spending all kinds of money on candy. I just felt like it today. Yeah. Just gonna take a day off, not really do anything. Just enjoy myself, drink some soda, eat some candy, watch some solar opposites while I eat. Yeah, it's nice.